How to choose the perfect milk for homemade yogurt and milk kefir. This is very simple. Take the cheapest whole full-fat milk with a short shelf life, stored in a shop's refrigerator. If you have your own cow in the backyard, you will not have this dilemma and can start making yogurt and milk kefir straight away. Always check the content of the milk and make sure that there are no added ingredients like flavors and other additives. You will definitely not be able to obtain yogurt with chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry flavored milk. You will also not be able to obtain authentic yogurt with any vegetarian milk because the definition for yogurt just excludes vegetarian milk. You still can have a good result using soy milk when it has no preservatives or additives. However, you can use homogenized and long-life brands of milk, only if they are whole and they are free of preservatives and other added ingredients. Please visit our website, blog, forum, and yogurt app, or check out the other videos for more info. www.yogurtathome.com, forum.yogurtathome.com, and www.yogurtathome.com/blog.